Horses out. We've got Alexis Magic. Pass to begin. Danori inside his Aunt Margaret. Moving a party outside. Rapid fire. Then followed over by Mighty Mayor. While head spin came out of the gate a little bit late. Passing before that would stand for the first time. We have Aunt Margaret by Onalenka. Followed closely on the outside by Rapid Fire. Shadow Groove is racing in third. Running by the report comes Mighty Mayor. The favorite Alexis Magic comes next. In the middle, Conjugal Bullet, Baluarte, Big Spender, Great Honor. And a long way back to head spin as they swing down the back. Aunt Margaret by Onalenka and a half. Then moving up now to take second is Alexis Magic. Rapid Fire is running by the rail. In the middle is Shadow Groove. Then next on line comes Conjugal Bullet, Baluarte alongside Big Spender, Great Honor, Mighty Mayor and Head Spin. And it's still Aunt Margaret by Onalenka and a half. Alexis Magic now coming closer on the outside second. Rapid Fire draws back in third. Conjugal Bullet in for us. They come to the last 200. Aunt Margaret by only half a length. Alexis Magic moving up on the outside, but it's still Aunt Margaret by Onalenka. Alexis Magic is on the outside. Last 75 meters, and it's still Aunt Margaret, Alexis Magic, and finally Aunt Margaret, Alexis Magic, Rapid Fire, Conjugal Bullet.